Hey yo, how's it going everybody? That was EFG here. Hope everyone's having a great day once again. And today we're coming at you with fixing up my partner's 1999 Toyota Celica. yeah. So it's a bit later, like the next morning. Yeah, I didn't notice my phone died, so you guys only got to see us starting to do some vacuuming work. Yeah, that's a bit of a pain in the butt. So I do have the afters right here that I can show you guys, but realistically, I'm afraid since the phone was never running to record it, I just don't have the footage of me doing the wet vacuuming. In today's video though, which you guys will see tomorrow, I'm doing the entire floor carpet. I'll be pulling all that out and doing all that wet vacuuming, so I'll be making sure that you guys can actually see what the hell I'm doing here. But let's take a quick look at how it all came out. So I got them all stacked up around here. So there's one of the rear cushions for the backrests. Oh, that was a bit terrible. But this is one of the passenger seats. All of this red was basically nearly completely unseeable to the eye, and it was very faded all over, but managed to successfully bring back all that color back into it. Obviously, this is a 1999 car, so there's only so much I can do before it, can't get much better. But yeah, so this is where we're running at. So we've got, both the seats. There's the rears as well, which also came out really nice. And then we got both the back cushions here, which just as well came up nice as well. So yeah, that was my fun for today. Got all that done. I actually recorded most of this stuff while I was doing the rear delete badge. I had a lot of time on my hands waiting for that paint I threw on there to cure, because I needed to throw that on there so it could be driven this morning. But yeah, so that all went pretty well so far. I'll see you guys in the next video where I tear apart the inside, and hopefully she should look good.